Frayme's role in the system is being reflected here at the Learning Institute. We're able to bring together service providers, clinicians, researchers, youth, family in one space, and they're representing different communities, different contexts from across Canada. Frayme plays a really crucial role because we have a network now of over 300 partner organizations, and we can harness that and continue to do these things where we bring these people together so that ideas and research can come together and really push forward in a meaningful way.
Connecting all of these different unique integrated youth service centers together on common values and a common basis to come together at great conferences like this and really talk about, what are our pros, our cons, our struggles, our successes, and realize that across the country we're all working together on the same goal.
Because they have this lens of seeing things from a big perspective and being able to form those networks, having agencies that are a little bit more established, connecting with other agencies that are just starting the youth engagement piece, establishing mentorship roles, even between youth from agency to agency.
Bringing ideas from external sources and directly on the ground. So rather than people in offices who are doing studies, this information needs to be coming from the people who are actually accessing the services and the people who are directly being impacted by the way that Frayme works, really.
Let's bring our expertise together. Let's be humble and learn with each other. Understand that we have limitations, and together we can make this amazing recipe and improve the state of youth mental health across the globe.
I think we need to take bolder steps into taking ownership of our brand and branding it a lot more out there, so that way individuals get to see the work that we're doing, and also we can build better networks and partnerships and knowledge to better serve young people and families.
I think Frayme is doing a really good job of providing education and bringing people together, and I'd like to see that continue.
Again, coming from the recreation side, Frayme was brought to me through service providers, and Frayme really does fit with what we do. We found our pillar within their vision and their objectives, so I think just branching that out to other opportunities and other people that are servicing youth in our communities.
One thing Frayme does really well is listen to youth. They're advocating youth, letting youth speak for themselves and trying to amplify youth's voices. So I think if Frayme continues to do that, and hopefully people start to listen and the decision makers and funders start to listen, and they can have some kind of impact on the larger system.
I think there's a big part in Frayme of really identifying what are some of the pitfalls that we face so that we're not all making the same mistakes, and that as a kind of nation we can move together and really make change that is going to be impactful.
Frayme is in a really exciting and specific place in the system because it's really about trying to alleviate that gap that we have between what we know works, or what we think might work, or what we're demonstrating works, and putting that into practice through efforts of knowledge exchange and connecting and partnering and networking across different sectors and with those that are experts in the community and beyond, and bringing that together as a network and as a partnership that can close that gap and let us have timely solutions to needs that are currently happening in communities across this country and internationally. And I would say that Frayme partners with others to do that. It doesn't do that in isolation, nor should it.
I'd like to take a second to thank RBC, our funder, in supporting many organizations and attending the Learning Institute, Frayme for hosting this amazing Learning Institute, and also to the staff and volunteers that really helped the last few months bring this together, and of course the participants for attending, because without you, we could not have a Learning Institute. Hey!